Alright, in the next few minutes, I will show you how to create a halal song that have no music, only vocals, using AI. And you are using this tool called Gemini. Let's begin.
First, you should move to Chrome or Play Store and download Gemini. If you are in Chrome, just search for Gemini and click on it. So it will load and it will bring you to the interface of Gemini as you are seeing. Here's the interface of Gemini. This tool is by Google. So just click on this plus icon and you will see this music. Click on it. Once you click on it, then you can describe what you want. As you see, I'll start describing the type of nasheed I want it to generate, the type of vocal sound you want. First, you will start describing like act as a professional musician. Then I will tell it what type of nasheed it should generate, the type of music song. Then after I describe the type of music I want it to generate, I will finally tell it, like I will tell it the specific thing to tell in the music. I'll just keep this very short, but you can go way more power. As you see, it starts generating. In about 3 seconds it will finish generating. Let's just wait for it. Yeah, as you see, it just finished generating. As you see, it said I created a halal nasheed for you till the end. Let me play it for you so that you will understand what I mean.
Ooh, ya Allah. From clay he fashioned thought and hand, and intellect's reflection fills the land. Ah, Subhanallah.
So now, if you want to download this music on a sheet, just click on this icon and it will give you two options. The first one is video or only audio. Just click on the one you want. Now, as you click on it, you will see it will start downloading.
So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, follow and share it with someone that needs to hear this. I will see you in the next video.